All right, happy Thursday, Wildfire community. We're going to get into the Burn-At-Home workout. I'm Coach Skip, and we've got all kinds of great stuff happening this week at Wildfire CrossFit and Wildfire Fitness. This Saturday morning at 9 a.m., we have our free open to the public class. Everybody is welcome. If you're just getting started, have been doing this for a while, or just looking for something different, come on in at 9 a.m. for a fun, challenging class. It's going to doesn't matter what kind of skill level, everybody is welcome to join us and have some fun with us. So getting right into the workout today, we've got a warm-up where we're going to be doing 3 rounds of 20 jumping jacks, 10 Superman, 5 opposite pointers, and then 5 down up dog stretches. So starting out with those jumping jacks 20 times, getting everything moving loud and proud, get those arms and legs moving together. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, clap above and behind your back every single time. If you need to take it back a notch, then just do a step out and back every single time and just keep that motion going. After your 20 jumping jacks, you're going to be doing 10 Superman. So right down on the ground, get that chest and thighs off the ground, and then right back down. And really squeeze your butt. Pull at that core and those shoulder blades. If you need to do it from a standing position, do the same motion. Just drive those hips forward, squeeze your butt, pull at your shoulder blades, and get that same motion going. After your 10 Superman, you've got 5 opposite pointers. So you're going to be on all fours, and you're going to bring your left arm and right leg out, and then switch each time. Back and forth is going to be 1 rep on these. So really get that good squeeze in the glutes, pull at the shoulder again, get that good range of motion, work on your agility and coordination there. After that, you're going to go into that down dog and then up dog stretch. And really drive those hips into the ground on the up dog. On that down dog, get that head through the window on the shoulders, and even bicycle those heels to get that full range of motion every time. If you need to, on the down up dog, you can also do this from a bench where you're getting that same position in that down dog, and then push in with those hips on the up dog. And so couch, chair, whatever you need. Best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow, you'll get a little bit better. After the warm-up of 3 rounds, 20 jumping jacks, 10 Superman, 5 opposite pointers, and 5 down up dogs, we're going to get into the workout. The workout today is a 14-minute AMRAP. So simple time. Make sure you set a watch or a clock. You're going to do as many rounds as possible in 14 minutes. We've got 4 exercises. We're doing 10 reps of each exercise. So we're starting with 10 Mule Kicks, then going to 10 4-count Flutter Kicks, and then 10 plank to shoulder tap, and then 10 hollow ups. So that Mule Kick, 10 Mule Kicks, right plus left is going to equal 1 rep on these. And kick down and really kick that leg back. You should feel that stretch through the hamstring as you get to the bottom every time, and then switch, and that's 1. 2, if you're not able to get quite all the way to the ground, get as low as you can. Maybe just grab that knee, just still make sure you're getting that good kick back each time, or use your chair or bench to get that kick back, stand all the way up, and then right in here. And that platform is going to just help stabilize you a little bit. You're still doing the same exact movement. You're just getting a little bit more stability as you really kick one leg back and then the other leg back. And remember, right plus left equals 1 on these. Next, we've got 10 4-count Flutter Kicks. So Flutter Kick is just flat on your back, point the toes, hands out to the side, and just keep that kick going. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Just a short little kick here. It doesn't need to be this big motion. If you need some assistance, put your hands right underneath your butt, and that'll help stabilize your hips for those flutter kicks. And you can also do this on a chair, couch, bench, whatever you got right in here. So again, they are 4-count flutter kicks. So when you're counting, make sure you're counting each leg. You're doing each leg twice instead of each leg once on those. However you need to count to make it happen, go for it. After the flutter kicks, you're going to be doing plank shoulder taps. So you're going to be on your hands, keep that torso straight, reach your right arm to your left shoulder, left arm to your right, and just right back and forth here for that shoulder tap. If you need to go off your knees, that's okay. Same thing, back and forth. And of course, you can always use that platform either from your toes or from your knees. Just make sure you've still got some resistance against your shoulders and upper body if you're doing it from the knees. The final exercise is going to be 10 hollow ups. So flat on your back, arms above your head, and just make that banana shape with your body, and then right back down. 2, 3, and just keep that motion going. If you need to go from a seated position, then hold on and just bring your legs up and right down. And that way you're making that same kind of banana position with your body each time in that hollow up. So 14 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 10 mule kicks, 10 4-count flutter kicks, 10 plank shoulder taps, and 10 hollow ups. So have fun with this one, share it with a friend, go hard. And if you have any questions, as always, we're here to help. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey there. Give me 1 second.